Introducing QuikStik UnderFlor, a revolutionary new product from Congoleum that will change the way you install LVT forever. You don't need adhesive or special tools. There's no adhesive odor and absolutely no waiting for glue to flash. It's fast, clean, and easy. Stop wasting time and money by fixing imperfect subfloors. QuikStik UnderFlor can be installed over a variety of subfloors, including plywood, particle board, oriented strand board, concrete, existing resilient, old paint, adhesive residue, even gypsum topping. So let's get started. Always acclimate flooring products, including QuikStik UnderFlor, before installation. After you've finished any necessary subfloor prep, always thoroughly sweep the room. QuikStik UnderFlor consists of a felt base with pre-applied adhesive and a release liner. It's available in two convenient sizes, 140.63 square feet for smaller jobs and 281.25 square feet for larger jobs. QuikStik UnderFlor comes in a specially designed carton that offers protection for the roll. Each carton consists of a roll of QuikStik UnderFlor seam tape, which must be used for joining the sheets. The roll is suspended in the carton by a cradle, protecting the roll from damage and making it easy to unroll. Unroll your first piece of QuikStik UnderFlor. The larger carton is 8.5 inches wide, so place the carton against the wall. You can lap 1 foot up the opposite wall and cut off the piece using the carton as a guide. Position your first piece in the room and cut it to fit, leaving about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch gap around vertical surfaces. Unroll the second piece and butt the edges together. They're factory slits, so the fit is exact. There is a dry area between the edge of the sheet and the adhesive that allows for easy tape application. This tape must be used as it's made with the same formulation as the pre-applied adhesive. Roll the tape with a steel hand roller to firmly embed it. Continue this process until the entire room is covered. To determine your center line, there are 3 methods for making your chalk guides. If molding is being applied, simply mark the wall near the floor. If you can't put marks on the wall, apply a piece of blue painter's tape and mark it. Or you can make the marks directly on the underlayment by lightly scoring football shapes in the release liner around the marks, being careful not to cut through the product. The liner will lift off around your footballs, leaving the marks on the floor as a guide. To snap chalk lines, carefully roll back the release liner and tape until they are beyond your marks. Install the planks working into the adhesive side. Repositioning is easy with QuikStik UnderFlor. After completing the first half of the room, continue installing in the opposite half of the room, only exposing as much adhesive as needed. When installing tile, you must measure and mark a center line and perpendicular lines to create a starting point. Mark and chalk your first center line, just as you do for plank installation. Put the release liner back in place and roll back the other liner sections and tape to expose the adhesive areas for the next chalk line or lines. You are now ready to begin installing the tile. When installation is complete, you can begin grouting immediately. Repairing a damaged piece is quick and easy. Cut the corner of the product, scoring it several times, being careful not to cut through the underfloor. Remove the corner piece and slide a putty knife under the damaged piece, lifting up and releasing it from the adhesive. Simply put in a new piece and press it down firmly. If you should happen to tear the product during installation, simply pull back the release liner and apply a piece of tape to the torn section. Press it firmly into place, pull off the tape liner, and replace the adhesive liner. QuikStik UnderFlor allows you to scribe and dry fit product by simply placing the release liner over an area where you need to make your scribe marks. Once cut, you can dry fit the piece to make sure it fits correctly. And finally, here's an easy way to slide pieces into the undercut casings. Place the release liner over the adhesive, position your piece in place under the casing, and carefully slide out the liner. QuikStik UnderFlor makes quick work removing the floor in the future. Simply fold it over and carry it away. Simple, fast, and clean make QuikStik UnderFlor the perfect choice for your next installation. This innovative new product was developed, thoroughly tested, and brought to market by Congoleum, a trusted leader in the industry focused on producing the best resilient flooring. An unwavering commitment to design, quality, and innovation has made us the brand of choice for generations of homeowners.